Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2013 63 reg F33 320D M Sport Xdrive saloon. The vehicle is presented in the mineral grey and has just come in a very recent part exchange. It also features a full BMW Mperformance Kit that hasn't been fully colour coded, something we'll show you as we go around the vehicle. It also comes with a set of the genuine BMW 405M performance alloy wheels that are in absolutely immaculate condition all the way around. At the front you can see the colour coded front splitter, and then it got the gloss black kidney grills. Down the side we've got the colour coded sidebars, satin side finals and M performance decals. Comes with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and inside the car there is a full black Dakota leather. The front seats are also heated, as well as having the electric lumbar option as well. It also comes with an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is going to be paired very nicely with this vehicle's Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. In the back there's a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, and again that's all been kept in a really lovely condition. Again, we'll show you the alloy wheels. They are all unmarked, all four. Around at the back we've got a colour-coded rear spoiler and rear diffuser, and if you've not yet seen the F33's boot space, you can see for yourself that it is a very big boot, and this one also does come with the genuine BMW floor mats. Around once again at the driver's side, I'll take a bit of a wider angle so you can see just how well all of that genuine BMW M Performance colour-coded items really do work very nicely with this car, and these absolutely stunning alloy wheels. Inside we've got a multi-function M Sport steering wheel, power folding mirrors as well, which is a nice option, especially if you're in the garage of the vehicle, as you can see there. BMW business navigation and media screen, and if we start the car up we'll go through a couple of the features of that. DAB, there is also a wide array of other multimedia inputs including USB and AUX, then there is Bluetooth telephone on the car, and then the navigation system of course. Back at the main menu we'll shortly show you the servicing requirements and history, dual climate controls along with switches for the front heated seats. Into vehicle service status now. Next service isn't due for 15,000 miles. And up at service history, there's 3 recorded services on the iDrive. We've also got more service history with the car as well. 81,000 miles are just over covered, so there you can see, hopefully you've been able to see, that this is a very well looked after vehicle and is in really great condition despite the mileage. Of course, bearing in mind the car's age, the mileage is about right for the car and has been very well looked after, and with all of the additions that have been carried out, see it being a very popular car. So thanks once again for taking the time to watch the walk around. We hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Take care guys, bye bye.